Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you another Christmas pattern. We already started several Christmas patterns. As you know, I love to show you easy and very fast, quick projects. These are perfect for beginners. Don't worry if you think that they can look complicated because there are two colors, but this is just one row pattern of double crochet into magic green. So these are really simple. You can use them as gift tags, you can use them as Christmas tree ornaments, whatever you want to make with them. They are perfect, very realistic, and they are very easy to make. So for this, you can use any color, any yarn you have. You can use chunky yarn, then the size of the candy will be bigger. You can use this type of cotton, then the size is smaller. This is around, I think 1.5 centimeter. That's perfect for small projects. For example, I'm thinking to decorate my small tabletop Christmas tree for the kitchen with lots of sweets like these candy canes, peppermint candies, and donuts, ice creams, all the amigurumi sweets, and they will be perfect because I don't have much time. This takes just 1 minute, one row pattern. So if you have some last minute projects and you need to decorate them, or you can use them as addition to your amigurumi toys. So I think there are so many possibilities for these candies. You can share in the comments below what you're going to make with them, but I promise it takes so little time. Take two colors and place as you wish. You can put white, red, the way you prefer. Then you have to wrap around two fingers to make an X, like this. And our magic green we're going to make now. You go with the hook and grab one closer to you and twist. Now you are going to chain. We're going to chain 1, 2, and the third chain we are switching the color to the white. That's it. So now you can release and yarn over. And we are going to work into the magic green. So insert your hook into the magic green. Now we are working with the white yarn and make yarn over and pull through 2. And then when you have 2 other left, you switch to the red one. Then yarn over again, and now we are working with the red one. So insert into the magic green, yarn over, pull through 2, and we finish with the white one. Yarn over, and now we finish with the red one. So it's very simple. You just finish with a different color. So you start like a normal double crochet. Okay, yarn over, pull through 2, and then when you have to finish the double crochet, you just finish with the white or with the red. Just switching the color. That's how simple. And in total you must have 12, including chain 3 that we made at the beginning. Just alternate. And when you have 12, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When I have 12, I will finish the circle. So right now I have 12, and for this I just have to first close the magic ring, take those two tails and pull. So that's it. Now we can cut the yarn from the ball. And then I pull the one that I finished the last stitch. And now I'm going to show you how to finish. So you keep this yarn and then go from behind under both loops, take the yarn and pull on the other side. So now here, pull a bit the white yarn and you go into this chain and insert the red. So now you have to hide both tails, all the tails on behind. So behind the stitches, use smaller size hook, which is easier to hide all the yarn. And I just wanted to show you one life hack that I didn't use for these ones because I wanted to use this different texture, this paper, like I show you, to give it a more, I don't know, Christmas look. But you can use these things or any yarn, maybe different color, you know, this green color, or even jute yarn, or simply the yarn that we close the magic ring. You can pull on like this through the chains and use it as a hanger. So it's also a good hack, and it looks perfectly. And you don't have to make any other effort. They are ready to be hung on your Christmas tree. So you can decide by yourself if you want to use separate or use this one. Anyways, the candy looks perfect. You can even leave them like that and even crochet like 50 of them to make a bowl of candies. So that's absolutely depends on how you want to decorate, use them for. I really hope you will enjoy this pattern because it's just so simple, so fast, but they look so Christmassy. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. I love to share these tutorials with you, and I hope to see you soon in the nearest future. And that's it for now. And I'm happy to see that you are still on my channel, so I suggest you to watch this beautiful tutorial of the Christmas bubbles. They are really easy to make. They will match the project we made today, and you can decorate your Christmas tree even more with these beautiful crochet projects. Thanks for watching. See you again.